Hi Ben, this is Buck Norris. I wanted to show you a couple of tips in using PowerPoint in doing a Zoom meeting. So if you're in Zoom, let's go ahead and connect up to a Zoom meeting. And on the other screen, I've got my information with my video. So let's say you're running a PowerPoint presentation. If you open a PowerPoint presentation and you go into slide view, either through these particular icons that I've set up on the quick bar, or you go down to the bottom of the screen and start your slide slow show down there. Doesn't matter. But when you bring it up, you're looking at the presenter's view. One thing that presenter view does is that it's full screen on your display as well as the presentation on the extended view screen. You can't see the taskbar at the bottom. So if you want to see the taskbar, you want to make sure that you click on taskbar. This will only be up there when you're in the presenter's view. Then you can see the taskbar and you can go to the options that you have in Zoom meetings. If you wanted to share something else, for example, if I wanted to share screen one, a couple other tips in using the presenter's view. You know the tip about holding down the control key and clicking and holding down on the page. If you hold down the control key and you keep holding down the mouse key, this red laser will show up, and it's very useful for showing things on maps, etc. For example, let me see if I've got a map here. I've got a map, so you can easily hold down the control key and trace something and the class can see it, and online they can see it in Zoom. Another feature of the presenter's view is this magnifying glass. If you click on that, you can see this square or rectangular area, and as you move your mouse, you can go to whatever you want. It will zoom in on the area, and the area on the display screen will be zoomed in as well. You can click and hold down with the mouse. You can see how that hand turns to a grabber. And you can move your mouse around. You can move to different places on the screen for the map. Very useful tools. Click on the magnifying glass to go back out. That's a couple of tips that I thought might be good to know as you're using Zoom in the Sunday school class. Hope that helps. Bye.